Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling storage and furniture products on Amazon. These top-rated items are not just customer favorites, but also essentials that can transform your home. From innovative storage solutions to stylish furniture pieces, we have an array of products that you won't want to miss. So, without further ado, let's jump right into our list and discover these amazing finds together. Number 5 on our countdown is the Embroidery adjustable single thread spool holder. This is not just any thread holder. This is the ultimate companion for your sewing, embroidery, or quilting adventures. Imagine a spool holder so versatile, it accommodates a vast range of spool sizes, including those bulky conical spools that usually demand makeshift solutions like mason jars. With this spool holder, you can say goodbye to those hacks and hello to convenience. Not only does it simplify your creative projects, but it also makes them more cost-effective. Larger spools, which this holder easily accommodates, offer more thread for less money. What makes the Embroidery stand out is its buttery smooth feed. Designed for machines with horizontal spool holders, it ensures the thread unwinds at a consistent pace, virtually eliminating the nuisance of thread breaks or tangles. It's an absolute game changer for handling cross-wound combs, which typically unfold from the top. The smart design of this spool holder is another reason it's a must-have. A robust central pin supports even the largest spools, while the tall vertical guide ensures the thread feeds from a high point, enhancing smoothness as it threads through your machine. Constructed with a reinforced plastic base, the Embroidery spool holder is both stable and durable. This superior build means your spool stays put, giving you a hassle-free experience whether you're sewing, quilting, or embroidering. Quality materials promise longevity, making this an investment that pays off over time. To top it all off, the Embroidery adjustable single-thread spool holder comes with a 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee. That's right, buy with confidence, knowing that if you're not completely satisfied, your purchase is protected. However, with its sturdy construction and effective performance, we're confident you'll fall in love with the Embroidery spool holder. Stay tuned as we move to number 4 on our list.
Number 4 on our countdown is the new Brothread 4 layers stackable clear storage box, the ultimate solution for organizing your embroidery and sewing threads. Imagine a sleek, clear storage box with 4 layers, each capable of holding up to 80 spools of thread. This isn't just any box, it's a fortress for your spools, protecting them from dust and keeping them neatly organized. Whether you're an embroidery enthusiast or a sewing aficionado, this box is designed to meet your needs. Let's talk versatility. This storage box accommodates new Brothread 500M and 1000M spools and a variety of mini spools from different brands. There's even a special compartment on top for your needles, scissors, marking pens, and bobbins. However, note that it's not suitable for commercial, industrial, or jumbo spools. The stackable and lockable design is a game changer. Each layer interlocks securely with 20 plastic pins per layer to hold your spools upright, preventing any accidental tumbles. Made from high-quality PP material, the box offers super transparency, allowing you to easily find the colors you need without opening it. Durability is another standout feature. Rigorous anti-fall tests have led to design improvements, ensuring the box remains intact and secure during transportation. This means you can carry your threads with confidence, whether you're heading to a sewing class or working on customized projects on the go. New Brothread always has your back. They think what you think, do what you do, love what you love. And remember, reaching out to New Brothread ensures you get their original warranty. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 3 products in our countdown.
Number 3 on our list is the Laflare registered trademark Braid Rack 60 Spools, a versatile and indispensable tool for both hair braiding and organizing your crafting supplies. Imagine a braiding rack that adapts to your needs. Whether you prefer it standing on a table, attached to a salon trolley cart with cable ties, or hanging on the wall with the included self-adhesive hook, this braid rack fits seamlessly into your workspace. It's not just for hair. Store your threads, jewelry, rings, scarves, and more with ease. Time is money, and the Laflare registered trademark braid rack saves you plenty of both. By pre-sorting your hair pieces, you can work swiftly and efficiently, reducing the need to stop and restock. This means more customers served in less time, leading to higher satisfaction and greater business success. Versatility is at the heart of this product. Use it to display an assortment of small items or to pre-separate pre-looped crochet hairs. The well-organized display ensures quick selection and easy access, making your task smoother and more enjoyable. Let's talk specifics. The height of the pegs is 1.6 inches, with the overall size of the rack being 15.75 by 12 by 7 inches, and the space between spools is 1.5 inches. The shelf dimensions are 16 by 13.5 by 2.25 inches. Crafted from PP material with a natural wood color, this rack is both sturdy and aesthetically pleasing. The Laflare registered trademark braid rack's foldable design adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to store it away effortlessly when not in use. It's a perfect blend of functionality and style, making it a must-have for any salon or craft room. Stay tuned as we move to the top 2 products in our countdown. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling storage and furniture products on Amazon? Well, don't let your organization game fall apart. Give us a shelfie thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're always on top of the latest and greatest in storage solutions. Number 2 on our countdown is the ARTDOT diamond painting storage containers. This portable, multifunctional organizer is a game changer for diamond painting enthusiasts and crafters alike. Picture this: a single box that holds all your diamond beads neatly in one place, thanks to its 64-piece tiny containers, each measuring 2 by 1 by 0.5 inches. It's big on capacity, but compact in design, ensuring your crafting space remains clutter-free. Managing your diamond beads has never been easier. With 196-piece label stickers and see-through material, you can organize and find your diamonds effortlessly using the color codes. No more sifting through piles of beads to find that one elusive color. But the ARTDOT storage box isn't just for diamond painting. Its versatility shines through as it stores various small items like jewelry beads, nail jewelry, pills, and more. Whether you're a crafter or someone who loves to keep things organized, this box is your perfect companion. Portability is another key feature. The outer box measures approximately 8.5 by 5 by 2 inches, making it easy to carry your supplies wherever you go. Whether you're crafting at home, at a friend's place, or even on the go, this storage box has got you covered. And here's the cherry on top. ARTDOT offers a refund or resend guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied with your diamond painting box, they'll issue a refund or send you a new package. It's a risk-free purchase that promises satisfaction. Stay tuned as we reveal the top product in our countdown. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Number 1 on our countdown of the best-selling storage and furniture on Amazon is the OUTUXED 2-pack 36 grids clear plastic organizer box. This is not just a storage box. It's a versatile solution designed to meet all your organizing needs. Crafted from high-quality PP hard plastic, it boasts a clear, sturdy construction that lets you see your items at a glance. The outer box dimensions are 10.8 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 1.8 inches high, with individual grid sizes of 1.7 by 1.1 by 1.7 inches. What sets the OUTUXED organizer apart is its adjustable dividers. With 36 detachable grids, you can customize each compartment to fit the size of your items perfectly. Simply move the horizontal dividers to create the storage space you need. The OUTUXED organizer isn't just about functionality, it's also about durability. Packaged in a shock-proof shipping box, it arrives intact and ready to use, no matter how far it travels. Versatility is key. This organizer is perfect for storing and sorting a wide array of small items, from rock collections, jewelry, and craft supplies to fishing hooks, letterboard letters, pills, electronic components, and even nails, nuts, and bolts. Whatever you need to keep tidy, this organizer handles it with ease. Our rigorous testing ensures that every OUTUXED organizer meets high standards of quality. We aim to provide you with a superior shopping experience, backed by our commitment to after-sales satisfaction. There you have it, the OUTUXED 2-pack 36 grids clear plastic organizer box, the ultimate solution for all your storage needs. Perfectly designed, highly versatile, and built to last, it's no wonder it's number 1 on our list. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling storage and furniture on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top-rated products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the items we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.